Have you ever felt stuck trying to figure out the perfect workout routine? Maybe you're new to fitness or you're looking to mix things up to stay motivated. Well, today we're diving into how ChatGPT can help you create personalized workout and exercise routines for any goal, whether it's for building muscle, improving flexibility, or just getting started with a healthier lifestyle. As always, check out the pinned comment for extra resources and tips tailored to this video. Let's jump right in. All right, let's start with a beginner friendly full body workout routine. If you're someone who's just stepping into the world of fitness, you'll need something that's simple, effective, and easy to follow. Now, before we dive into what ChatGPT can create, I want you to think about your fitness goals. Is it about getting stronger, improving mobility, or just staying active? Well, this helps tailor the routine perfectly for you. And now, here's the prompt we'll use to get started. Okay, so for example, I would ask ChatGPT with this. Let's read this. I'm a beginner looking for a simple 3 day full body workout routine I can do at home with no equipment, sorry about that. Can you create a plan that includes exercises, reps, and tips for proper form? Okay, so I'm sending this to ChatGPT right now. Let's see what it generates. Okay, so here is what ChatGPT could come up with. So day one, full body strength. All right, body weight squats, incline push-ups, glute bridges, plank. Right, there are a number of sets and seconds. Day two, active recovery and core. Right. There's cardio and endurance, high knees, modified push-ups, Superman hold, standing side crunches, and one right here, general tips. All right, there we go. Let me run down just a bit more with this one. Reverse lunges, knee push-ups, side plank, bird dogs for day two, active recovery and core. And yep, looks like we just looked through everything here. This is a solid starting point, I must say. Now, what stands out to me is how it includes like practical form tips down here. There we go. Like the warm up, the cool down, the simple as that, the rest, and progression. So these little details can make a huge difference, especially for beginners. Yep, and there's also the ones right here, just to make it more accurate with your exercises. There we go, and yep, on to the next one. Next, let's shift gears to designing a muscle building workout plan for the gym. Have you ever walked into a gym and felt overwhelmed by all the equipment? Well, look no further. This segment is for you. Now we'll help you navigate the gym with a structured plan so you can focus on results, not confusion. Now, here's the prompt we'll use right here. So, for example, I'm an intermediate level gym goer looking for a 4 day workout split focused on hypertrophy. Can you create a routine with exercises, sets, and rest periods for each day? And now off it goes to ChatGPT. There we go. Oh, see, right here you get two versions of the results right here. And it's quite optional. Just feel free to pick either of these. Which one would be interested more with you right here? And as observed with both versions right there, see, with the repetition sets and the rest periods. There we go. There's the 4th day. All right. Just wait for a moment for that to generate. Oh, look at that. There's optional workout right there, like core work. Add to any day, week, sorry about that, with plank with shoulder taps, hanging leg raises, and cable wood choppers. And there are tips right here on the second one. You know what? I prefer this response. There we go. See right here as you take a look further. There we go. This includes down here with the tips down here to help you push your limits. And so this plan takes the guesswork out of hypertrophy training. I especially love how it balances all major muscle groups to avoid overtraining. And see how detailed it is? Once again, warm-ups, 4 sets, so on and so forth. The repetitions, that's up to 15, 45-second rest, and yeah. So if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Finally, let's look at creating a cardio and conditioning plan for weight loss. Cardio can be a game changer for shedding pounds, but let's add some conditioning work to keep it exciting and effective. Now, before we dive into the prompt, think about what cardio activities you enjoy. Running, cycling, or even dancing can all fit into your plan. Now, here's the prompt we'll be sending to ChatGPT. So, for example, I would ask, can you design a 5-day cardio and conditioning routine for weight loss, including HIIT workouts and low intensity steady state, or LISS options? Okay, let's send this off right about now. Okay, it's on its way. It's generating. Here it is. So, day one, HIIT, full body cardio. There's the warm up, the following workouts. There we go. LISS. There we go. HIIT again, cardio and core. All right. LISS once again. Day 5, HIIT, bodyweight conditioning. And then, there we go. Okay. Let's scroll up once more. So here's what you'll see with what ChatGPT had came up with, the full body cardio workout that provided for you. See right here, 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 30, 15. Each of them has respective seconds for that workout. Day 2 with LISS, you can choose like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. And there's a goal right here to maintain a heart rate about 50 to 60% of your max. Should be feel easy to moderately challenging. Okay, another HIIT. There we go. Different workouts. There's also a cool down and another one right over here. So this is actually quite fantastic. Now, what I love most is the variety. You're not stuck doing the same thing every day, which makes it easier to stick with your routine long term. Now, to add something, yoga or active recovery ensures you stay fresh and avoid burnout, that is. And again, tips for success: adjust intensity to your fitness level, stay hydrated, track your progress, and prioritize rest and recovery on off days. All right, these are just general tips from that. And yep, there you have it. 3 incredible ways to use ChatGPT to create personalized workout routines. Whether you're a beginner looking to build muscle or trying to lose weight, ChatGPT has you covered.